This morning, wild weather on both coasts, with floods in the Northeast overnight and in Malibu, California, firefighters beating back the flames of a destructive wind-driven wildfire. Water and bright pink fire retardant dropped from the skies. A super scooper plane collecting water from the ocean, part of the air attack.
Well, I got very lucky this time, and it burned everything but my house.
A number of homes now destroyed, residents returning to comb through the ruins. Thousands still under evacuation orders and warnings, including celebrities like Jane Seymour, who posted dramatic photos of the flames near her home. And screen legend Dick Van Dyke, captured on his Ring camera evacuating, along with his wife Arlene and their pets.
It was coming over the hill, you could see it. And oh my God. And we got out of here.
Van Dyke, who turns 99 tomorrow, says he was outside struggling, trying to unsnarl his fire hose when neighbors showed up.
I was trying to crawl to the car. I had exhausted myself. I couldn't get up. And three neighbors came and carried me out and came back and put out a little fire in the guest house and saved me.
This community fire brigade also joining the fight. Local civilians who've been trained to help protect those around them.
I lost my parents' house. A lot of my friends lost their houses.
While across the country, a storm system bringing powerful winds and heavy rain to the Northeast, leaving cars stranded in a flooded tunnel in Boston. Thousands without power, and New England residents under flooding and high wind warnings overnight, as Americans across the country clean up after very different winter weather. Officials say it will take a number of days before the fire is completely out. It has burned more than 4,000 acres, and officials are still trying to determine the cause of the fire. Craig?
All right. Dick Van Dyke there. Wow, hard to believe he's 99. Thank you, Dana. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.